Okay, all my beautiful people here. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. So you ask, fine. I'm going to show you right now how to make $1,000 in 1 week. Guaranteed. By the way, I'm going to show you proof as well. You see my laptop there? I'm going to show you undeniable proof that this works, okay? $1,000. Now, the reason why I'm doing this, because I understand people right now have lost their jobs and they're being affected with the COVID-19. Not me. Actually, I'm making more money because more people are at home buying my product. So what I want to do is this. Listen, you don't need any money. You don't need any skill. You can be old or young. You can be smart or dumb. If you follow what I'm about to show you, you will make money. You need to get a Digistore 24 account, okay? You need to get a Digistore 24 account right now. Now, it makes sense while you're listening to my voice, you should follow me because I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to go very slow because I got my charger for my phone right now, okay? So my phone won't go dead. I just did a video on my Instagram account and my phone went dead, unfortunately, okay? Look, this is what you want to do. Write this down. Now, some of you already know you have Digistore accounts because you're part of my groups. Now, listen, you don't need any money to make this work. All you need is, all you have to do is pay attention, actually. Go there. Okay? That would get you a free Digistore account. Digistore are the people that send you money. It's anybody that's listening to my voice right now on Facebook that has got a check from Digistore 24. So this is working. Now, let me give you proof. Because I know some of you like, well, show me proof, Wesley. Show me proof. That's all the people that have degrees, right? Look, let me log in. I'm going to log into a live account, okay? This is a marketplace merchant processor account. If I go here, if I go to reports, okay? And if I go to top affiliates here, okay? You see all these people right here? This is called Digistore IDs, affiliate IDs. You're getting ready to get one yourself. All these people are making money. They're new people, okay? They're new people. Listen, one thing about me, I don't work with people who think they know everything. I don't work with people that make a bunch of money online. I work with the mom, the dad, the student, the young kid, the husband, the wife that have a 9-to-5 job that's trying to kick that to the curb and trying to live a different type of lifestyle, okay? Now, if you look here, this is what they're making per month. 8,000, 5,000, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. But in this video here, I'm going to show you guaranteed if you just follow the instructions here. Listen up, please. You're going to make $1,000 this week. Some of you would do it faster. Some of you, it would take longer, I guess. But, if you just pay attention, it will happen for you. Okay? So everybody here, you got me? These are people, now understand, these are people that are making money using the technique that I'm getting ready to show you for free. So that's why I deserve a like and a share, because people, they don't do this for free. Internet marketers, they don't do this, okay? Now, once you have your Digistore account, hello, what's going on here? Okay, once you have your Digistore account here, you want to go to Marketplace, okay? So everybody with me. If you're with me, say, Wes, I'm with you, because I want to move slow. Because that's $4,000 a month of extra income. See, this as all offers on Marketplace. Okay? What you want to do is scroll down, okay, to Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System. This is my system. My partner Ariella and myself. Ariella was a brand new marketer just like you. She knew nothing. She was in her 20s, working a job, hated her job, and wanted financial freedom. I took her under my wing. I showed her how to do this. It didn't take too long, and now she's a millionaire, okay? I send her like $100,000 every single month, okay? So this is the system that we created because she was new just like you. She didn't understand how to do anything technical. She didn't understand Facebook ads. She didn't understand nothing, okay? Period. But one thing was great about her, she listened, she paid attention, she diminished her ego, and she opened her mind to something new, and that changed her life, okay? If you talk to her, she'll tell you the same thing, okay? This is what I do, because I understand that money changes people's lives, period. I know it does. Because I've seen people, I've done it for several people that listen closely here, okay? So, Done For You Services, affiliate marketing system. You want to get your, what is called your affiliate ID. Copy that. Now listen, paste it somewhere so you don't forget it. I got to paste it here, but paste it in a notepad. Paste it on a Word doc. Does that make sense? Just put it somewhere because you're going to need it again, okay? Now, what you want to do, now understand this program is worth $1,000. You don't have to buy the program, okay? I'm just letting you don't have to buy it. If you want to, you can, because we help you to get a head start in the internet marketing industry. We have about 300 people, testimonies online on YouTube. You can search that to get more information. But right now, if you have no money, this is what you want to do. You want to go to YouTube, okay? How many of you have a YouTube account or a Google account? How many of you can get one right now so you can use this method here? Okay? Hit the like button. Guys, give me some feedback here. I can see the comments below. Give me some feedback because I want to make sure I'm not moving too fast. Okay? You go to YouTube. Type in Done For You Services. Done For You Services in the search bar. Okay? Now you see this young man right here. I know these young men because he's the guy or one of the guys that's making that money every single month because he followed exactly the instructions I gave him in a video like this, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to create a review about Done For You Services. All you have to do. Listen, this stuff is powerful. And if you're good, I'm going to show you how to get a lot of views even if you have 0 subscribers. I have a video on YouTube right now for free, and I show you how to take a channel from 0 to hundreds of thousands of followers by following this method that works very well for me right now. Okay, now listen, what you want to do is this. Pay attention. You want to record a video. Okay, you see, that's what he did. Now listen, I know some of you, you don't want to show your pretty faces, right? Because you're just, I don't know, you're afraid to show yourself to the world, whatever. Okay, well, you don't have to, okay? If you don't want to show your face, it is software called Loom. Type that in. Let me type that in. You can go to loom.com. It's free, by the way. Download it, okay? And you don't have to show your face, okay? Now, all you want to do is a review of the actual program. That's what this guy's doing. When people watch this on YouTube, you got about 100 million people probably per month that watch YouTube videos here. Okay, if you upload that video, okay, then if people like your content based off your review, then what you want to do in the description here, you remember that link that we saved? Remember that link? You remember your affiliate link? You need to put that in your description. Okay? Put it in your description below. Make sense? Is everybody with me so far? It's really easy to do, okay? Is everybody with me? That's all you have to do. Now, you might say, well, Wesley, do I have to use that long link? You do not. You can go to bit.ly.com, okay? This is called a URL shortener, okay? You can use many of them. It's many of them online. Just do a Google search. See that right there? digistore24.com, blah, blah, blah. It's shortened. Okay. Copy. Then when you go back to the video here, when you do your video,
doing well. If you're watching this video
in
right now,
the description below, all you want to do is put your link here, okay? You could put something like, want to make sleep money? Want to learn more? Here's the link to the training. Okay, does that make sense? Now, how many of you believe tonight, like right now, you can do this? Now, I'm going to show you something cool because you might think, Well, Wesley, I have no subscribers. You have 100,000, right? This is a technique that all great marketers on the planet. If you follow this, I have a video on YouTube. You can search for it, and I explain how to do this in detail, and it's free. Okay, you don't even have to pay me money. If you want to pay me money, you want to get in my groups, cool. You want to be a part of the Millionaires in Training family, great. If you want to be more successful faster and get in done for you services, cool. But listen, you don't need me. You can do this on your own. Just follow the instructions in the video, okay? All right, here we go. If you have no subscribers at all on your YouTube, that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. When you type in done for you services, okay, like this, look at it, done for you service Wesley or whatever. When you do that, what you do is go to filter here, okay. You see that right there? Type in done for you services in YouTube, go to filter, see the view count 6,000. So what you do is just copy this guy's title here. I mean, to be honest, this is what all the great marketers do. You know, they'll never admit it. They're going to be, oh, no, I don't do that. That's wrong, Wesley. I'm not going to copy other people's words like you. They're lying. Everybody does this, okay? And first of all, you cannot copyright a word, all right? Listen, you see this right here? Thank you so much, Vanessa. Much love. I love you. All right, look at this. Done for you services, system review, plus earnings proof inside. You copy this. When you record your video tonight and you post it, you use this, okay? Because this is getting searched heavily, obviously, because this guy's had over 6,000 views in 3 months, which is good. What this telling you right now, that there's an opportunity for a lot of new people to make money right now, because a lot of people just haven't done reviews, you know? And that's why I did this video, because if you do reviews, you can make a ton of cash. And we're talking about $1,000 this week if you do it correctly, okay? Number 2, make sure that you use a thumbnail that's provocative or provoking, okay? That's cajoling, that makes people that's compelling as well, okay? It's a thumbnail. You can get a thumbnail from Fiverr.com. You can get a thumbnail, do a Google search, and you can just screenshot it, whatever, okay? It's free, by the way. It doesn't cost you any money to do this, okay? All right, any questions for me? I just explained in this video how to make $1,000 per week. And that system costs $1,000. When it's sold, we pay you 50%. As a matter of fact, Digistore pays this. You see this? Digistore, see this? Hold on. This company right here, they pay you every week, every 7 days, okay? Every 7 days. See this? See the money? This is the money we're getting paid. This is just one account. 42,000 paid out so far, earning 62,000. Let me log into another account. I want you to know that these people do pay out, okay? These are merchant processors, okay? This is not MLM. This is not network marketing. This is internet marketing, okay? This is different. It's better than that stuff, okay? Look, you see that right here? 312,000, 279,000, 16,000 coming to me next week. And I got so many accounts. Look at it, $900,000. I get paid every week this money, okay? And I just follow exactly what I'm teaching you, because I believe if I can do it, you can do it, but someone has to explain it to you. Much love. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for the likes. Let's go.